subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new affordable phone under M series in Brazil called Galaxy M21s, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Galaxy F41 smartphone that was recently launched in India, but with some minor changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy M21s features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a U-shaped notch in the top center that carries an 32-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup in a squarish module that includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view and a 5-megapixel depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. The AAA cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Under the hood, the Galaxy M21s comes powered by Exynos 9611 chipset paired with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on One UI Core 2.0 skin on top. At the back, the phone houses a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 15 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.2 by 75.1 by 8.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 191 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy M21s has been priced in Brazil at 1,529 Brazilian reals, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black and blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy M21s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.